Airplane photography 101. Airplane photography is a popular genre among aviation enthusiasts and photographers. It involves capturing images of airplanes in various settings, such as during takeoffs, landings, in flight, or on the ground. Here are some key aspects and techniques often used in airplane photography. Location. To capture compelling airplane photographs, it's essential to choose the right location. Airports, airshows, and aviation events are common places where photographers gather to capture airplanes. You can also explore spots near runways or observation decks to photograph aircraft as they take off or land. Composition. Pay attention to the composition of your photograph. Consider including interesting elements such as the sky, clouds, or other objects to add depth and context to the image. Experiment with different angles and perspectives to create unique compositions. Lighting. Good lighting is crucial for any type of photography, and airplane photography is no exception. Golden hours, which are the hours after sunrise and before sunset, offer warm and soft lighting that can enhance the beauty of airplanes. You can also experiment with backlighting or capturing planes against dramatic skies. Shutter speed. Depending on the effect you want to achieve, you can adjust your shutter speed accordingly. A fast shutter speed can freeze the motion of a flying airplane, while a slower shutter speed can create a sense of speed and motion by blurring the propellers or background. Lens choice. Different lenses can produce varying results in airplane photography. Wide-angle lenses can capture the entire aircraft and its surroundings, while telephoto lenses allow you to focus on specific details of the airplane, such as the cockpit or wingtip. Post-processing. After capturing your airplane photographs, you can enhance them further through post-processing. Adjustments to color, contrast, and sharpness can help bring out the details and make the images more visually appealing. Remember to always respect the rules and regulations when photographing airplanes, especially around airports or restricted areas. It's also essential to prioritize safety and not endanger yourself or others while attempting to capture these photographs. Research and plan. Before heading out to photograph airplanes, do some research on the locations, events, or airshows that will provide interesting opportunities. Plan your shoot by checking flight schedules, weather conditions, and the best angles for different times of the day. Scout the location. If you're photographing at an airport or unfamiliar location, scout the area in advance. Look for vantage points, observation decks, or areas with clear views of the runways or flight paths. Familiarize yourself with any restrictions or guidelines for photography in that area. Capture the details. While wide shots of airplanes can be impressive, don't forget to focus on the smaller details as well. Zoom in on unique features, textures, or patterns of the aircraft. Look for interesting angles that highlight the airplane's shape, wings, engines, or cockpit. Experiment with perspectives. Don't limit yourself to the typical eye-level shots. Try shooting from different angles and perspectives to add variety and uniqueness to your photographs. Get low to the ground, shoot from above, or even include elements like the runway or other objects to create more dynamic compositions. Play with motion. Experiment with different shutter speeds to capture motion in your airplane photos. Use faster shutter speeds to freeze the action and showcase the aircraft's sharpness and details. Alternatively, use slower shutter speeds to convey a sense of motion by intentionally blurring propellers, wheels, or backgrounds. Use leading lines. Incorporate leading lines in your composition to guide the viewer's eye towards the airplane. Runways, taxiways, or other linear elements can help create a sense of depth and draw attention to the main subject. Consider the background. Pay attention to the background in your photographs. Look for clean and uncluttered backgrounds that won't distract from the airplane. Avoid having people, vehicles, or other unrelated objects that might take away from the main focus. Capture emotions and reactions. Airplane photography is not just about the planes themselves. Don't forget to capture the emotions, reactions, and interactions of people involved in aviation. This could include pilots, ground crew, passengers, or aviation enthusiasts. Be patient and anticipate. Sometimes, capturing the perfect airplane photograph requires patience. Anticipate the movements of the aircraft and be ready to capture the decisive moment, such as a takeoff, landing, or a specific maneuver. Practice and experiment. Like any form of photography, practice is key. Experiment with different techniques, settings, and compositions to develop your unique style. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and try new things.